Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your US bank card to your Apple Wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your US bank app, come to the top left, and I want you to go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines. From here you'll be able to access the menu. I want you to go ahead and click here on Manage Cards. I want you to click on the card that you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Then I want you to scroll down here under Pay Your Way. I want you to click on Add to Digital Wallet. So click here, and then I want you to scroll down. You will be able to see the available wallet, and I here want you to choose Apple Pay. Click here on Add Card. And what I want you to do after this, click here on Add. And as you can see right here, they'll ask us to now verify our mobile number. So click on Continue. And then I want you to enter the 6-digit verification code that will send you to your phone number. Click here on Continue, and then they'll redirect you right here. And what I want you to do is just tap here on Next, just verify your information. Tap on Next, and then you just agree to the terms and conditions. Click here on Agree at the bottom right. And as you can see, our card is now linked. You can click here on OK, and there you go. You can also use this as the default card as well when you use Apple Pay. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. And that is how to add your US bank card to Apple Wallet.